Hate bending over to pull weeds and dealing with sore knees? The Fiskars 4-claw stand-up weed puller promises to make weeding effortless with its 39-inch ergonomic handle. Is it worth $40 for your garden in 2025? Let's find out. Hey everyone, welcome back to SmartBloom. I'm your favorite YouTuber and we review smart gardening gadgets to make your life easier. Today we're testing the Fiskars 4-claw stand-up weed puller, perfect for gardeners in the USA, EU and beyond. Hit subscribe for more. The Fiskars 4-claw stand-up weed puller is a manual weeding tool designed to remove weeds without bending or kneeling. Priced at around $40, it features a 39-inch long ergonomic handle, 4 serrated stainless steel claws, and an easy-eject mechanism. At just 2.3 pounds, it's lightweight with a reinforced foot platform to dig into tough soil. Perfect for removing dandelions, thistles, and other invasive weeds without chemicals. Let's break down its features. The 39-inch handle lets you weed while standing, saving your back and knees. 4 serrated stainless steel claws grab weeds by the root for permanent removal. The foot pedal has a viewing window for precise claw placement, and the easy eject mechanism lets you toss weeds into a bucket without bending. Plus, the offset handle reduces wrist strain, making it comfy for long weeding sessions. Let's dig deeper. I tested the Fiskars weed puller in a small Florida garden with sandy soil and it pulled dandelions with 6-inch roots in seconds. Super satisfying. It works best on moist, loose soil after rain but struggles with hard clay soil or weeds with thick root clumps, so prep your ground first. The easy eject mechanism is a game changer. No bending to remove weeds. Some users in the USA note the plastic parts can break after heavy use, but Fiskars offers a lifetime warranty. Users in the EU love how it saves their knees, though it might take multiple tries on wild garlic. For best results, pair it with a Fiskars Kangaroo collapsible garden bag for easy cleanup. Here's the good and the not so good. Pros: it's lightweight at 2.3 pounds, ergonomic and chemical-free, perfect for dandelions and thistles. The easy eject saves time and effort. Cons: it struggles with hard or clay soil and the plastic parts might break with heavy use. Be gentle. It also takes soil with the weed, which can leave small holes. Still, a great tool for most gardens. Who should buy this weed puller? It's ideal for gardeners in the USA, EU, or Canada with small to medium gardens who want to weed without bending. Perfect for seniors or anyone with back issues. If you prefer chemical-free solutions and have loose soil, this is for you. It's not for very hard soil or large farms. Ready to make weeding easy? Grab the Fiskars 4-claw weed puller on Amazon for around $40. Link in the description. How do you tackle weeds in your garden? Share your tips in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to SmartBloom for more smart gardening reviews.